Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Devi Rizky
and my name is Ayhalina.
We are from class 11 OTKP. Our project this time is to make a video with the theme of talking symbol for message. Please watch it.
Hello, good morning. May I talk to Mr. Devi, please?
Good morning, this is Devi speaking. How may I help you?
Hi Mr. Devi, this is Aya speaking. I am calling from home to ask about the meeting schedule for next week.
Yes, the meeting is scheduled for Tuesday at 10 a.m. in the main conference room.
Okay, thank you. Will it be an in-person meeting or via Zoom?
It will be a hybrid meeting. You can attend in person or join through Zoom. The link will be sent out this afternoon.
Alright, thank you very much for the information.
You're welcome, Ayi. Have a great day.
You too, goodbye.
Well, that's the result of our video project. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.